Edye Beans with the Little House of Beans. Today on Cooking with Edye, we will be making ricotta cake. Yeah, easy peasy. Cake mix and ricotta, some extra ingredients, delicious. This recipe is something my mom made on the set of Godfather 1 in Sicily. And of course, this recipe will be made right now, right here on Little House of Beans.
Where can one find the recipe?
I'm glad you asked. The recipe, along with all the products you see us using here, will be in the description below, along with our new pink silicone liner. Hi, Parker. If you don't already know, we do have a Facebook group called Stovetop Oven Omnia Fans. Ding! If you love our videos and enjoy our recipes, please do us a quick thumbs up, hit that like button, click the notification bell. Please subscribe to the Little House of Beans. I'm ready to cook. Let's do it.